You want to start trading in stock market but don't know how? Don't worry, I got you. Hello mga Zizi, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance, and for today's topic, pag-uusapan natin yan. In my last video, I shared with you how to create an account in 2Trade Asia Plus. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng account para makapag-trade ka sa stock market. So if wala ka pang account, skip mo muna tong video na to, panoorin mo yung playlist ko. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how to fund your account. Kasi nga tinuruan kita kung paano ka gagawa ng account. Ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng pera yung account mo. Ang meaning nito, you can start buying stock. Syempre, kung meron kang fund dun sa account mo. Bali, may dalawa kang option kung paano malalagyan ng fund ang iyong account sa 2Trade Asia Plus. Option 1 is a through bills payment. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko doon sa mga option kasi napakadali lang niya. The fund will reflect to your account based on the bank, pero may cut-off sila ng until 3 p.m. Here are the banks that you can use. Personally, ang ginamit ko is yung BPI at yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo. So first things first, kailangan mag-login ka muna sa iyong app and then click your deposit account, and then dun sa deposit account mo may makikita kang pay bills. Click that. I-click mo yung manage favorites, and then maglalagay tayo ng add new favorite. Tapos mag-search tayo ng biller. So ilalagay mo yung biller na yon, itong 2Trade Asia Plus as your biller, and then ayan, magpa-fund na tayo. So click lang natin yung select, and then click billers. Then hahanapin natin itong 2Trade Asia. Tapos, i-enter lang natin yung reference number which is your account number. Ang minimum na pwede mong ilagay is 25,000 pesos pero minsan may mga promo sila na 10,000 pesos. Lagay nyo lang yung amount kung magkano yung ilalagay nyo and then click proceed. Tapos, wait nyo lang within the day, lalabas na yan sa iyong trading app which is the 2Trade Asia Plus. Doon naman tayo sa second option. So, ito naman, pwede kang mag-direct transfer sa 2Trade Asia account. So, ito yung information kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-deposit. Once successful na, no, i-email nyo sila using this email to confirm and bigay nyo lang yung reference number na ikaw ay naglagay ng pera sa iyong account. Once emailed, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the fund to reflect in your account. Next video natin, magti-trade na tayo. So don't forget to like and follow for more. Panoorin nyo yung playlist na meron ako for 2Trade Asia Plus.